Welcome. Today, we will guide you on how to add a GIF comment on Facebook using your PC. Adding a GIF to your comment can make your interaction more fun and engaging. Let's dive into the steps. Firstly, open your Facebook account on your PC. Facebook is a popular social media platform where users can connect with friends, family, and communities. Next, navigate to the post where you wish to leave a comment. Comments are a great way to share your thoughts, reactions, and express yourself on Facebook posts. Now, locate the Write a Comment field below the post. Within this field, you will see various options for adding media to your comment. Look for the GIF icon and click on it to access the GIF library. A wide selection of GIFs will appear for you to choose from. Browse through the collection and select the GIF that best fits your comment or mood. Once you have chosen the GIF you want to include in your comment, simply click on it to add it to your comment. The GIF will be inserted into the comment field, ready to be posted. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily enhance your Facebook comments with animated GIFs, making your interactions more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to comment with a GIF on Facebook using your PC. Have fun adding a creative touch to your comments with GIFs.